So we're a company who make a visualization toolkit for connected data. So we're all about taking the data in these connected databases, whatever they are, and presenting them to users, people who actually want to see them and interact with them and get insight from them. So we're all about visualization.
And I lead the commercialization efforts around our big open link data solutions at Thomson Reuters. We're very excited to announce that we just released the largest knowledge graph in the financial industry. We call it the Knowledge Graph Feed, and we're making that available to customers in this year. So that's one of the key highlights of what Thomson Reuters does in the connected data space.
I'm a research assistant working for Global Canopy, which is an Oxford-based organisation. We are one of two partners on the Trase Earth initiative, which my colleague Javier Godard presented on earlier. So Trase is a supply chain transparency initiative, which looks at forest risk commodities and the subnational sourcing jurisdictions in which they're produced, tracing them through via the companies which trade them to the countries which import them.
We're here because it's a kind of thriving community of people interested in this kind of data. There's a lot of innovation, there's a lot of people showing things that have never been done before. It's clearly a really growing area. There's a really nice mix of people who are real data science experts and people who don't even know what a graph is, all in one room. So it's thriving, it's growing, and for us it's just a chance to see all the different use cases there are for what we do. There's law enforcement, there's cybersecurity, there's fraud investigation, we've got people doing deforestation in Amazonia. So it's really interesting just how much different use cases there are for this kind of technology.
Presented us with an opportunity to interact with other folks that are very interested in this area, connect with our customers, with our partners, and establish new connections that will hopefully enable us to grow the network of people familiar with what we do, as well as the overall connected data space.
We just wanted to talk about some of the things we've come across over the years. Different companies do things in different ways with similar goals. We need to be flexible because, you know, we're a consultancy, we're a service company. We don't sell a database or a product. So we understand many of them and just want to make them work for people. So came along to hear what other people were doing, to talk about some of our experiences and see what disruption that may cause.
So for me, the Connected Data London conference was a real learning experience. A huge amount of it was very new to me, and it's interesting to see how connected data is being used by various and diverse organizations of all different sizes and with all different kind of modus operandi.
I think it was a great experience. There was great interaction with the audience, very interesting questions, and I have very good conversations with people coming to us at the booth. So definitely a great experience.
I think probably just the sheer volume of people coming to visit us. We had, I don't think we got a chance to stop from about 10 a.m. to lunchtime. We just had constantly people coming up, asking us what we do, talking to us. So it's been really busy, which is really nice.
I think it was a very nice, friendly atmosphere in a very well organized and in a nice. I feel privileged and honored to be at a place of at such a renowned place here.
So I thought it was interesting. There seemed to be a lot of interest in what we were saying, what many others were saying. It looks like, in my opinion, the space is getting more interest across different domains in terms of linking data and understanding how it can be used in different domains. So it's nice to see a steady progression, for me at least, over the last 4 years of interest in this space. I don't think this event would have been so popular a few years ago.
It's been a fantastic day. I've learned a lot about connected data and the community around it, the issues and challenges in terms of adoption of connected data in industry. And yeah, generally very pleased with the event. It's met a lot of new contacts and it helped me establish a bigger network around connected data in general.